So the first thing I'm going to do is navigate to the elements, right, and I want to search for a strawberry, right, and I want to filter by photos, so click on photos, and then from the list of images that appears I want to select this one. So just as a side note, you can use your own images, right, that you upload onto Canva, but for the purposes of this demonstration I'm just using an element which is already in Canva. Okay, so again in elements we want to search for a different element, and this time the name of that element is drip, right, and you want to click on see all, and then for the purposes of this video this is the one that I want to use. I want to flip that 180 degrees in a vertical manner, so on the menu there click on flip and then click on flip vertical. Alright, and then you can adjust the position and the size of our drip element. So just ensure that there is no gap, right? These gaps, they should not be there when you are adjusting. You should adjust all the way until the gaps are touching the fruit and are covered by the fruit. So like that. Alright, let's adjust here and adjust there to close that gap. Right, once that is done, you can select our strawberry element and then adjust its size, right, until it's hidden behind the drip element. And then we need to select the drip element, then we need to change its color now. So it's on the color palette, click on color, and then you want to search for white. So there is white, and you are done. That's how you achieve the strip effect in Canva. Just as a final touch, maybe you can just add a shadow to the image. So let's select all the elements and then click on group, so that when we're moving the elements, right, they move together, right, and then we can go back into elements and then we select search for shadow. Alright, we'll click on see all. This is the shadow that I want to add there, so I can add that. Right, and then adjust its position, my apologies, and then adjust its size, right, until it matches the size of our drip strawberry. Okay, that looks neat. We have come to the end of the video. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Please do like the video. Cheers, and see you on the next one.